All right, holy Toledo. This is one thing that I just don't do that often is sweep and vacuum. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe the vacuum's just too loud, and I don't know. Maybe I just think it takes too long. But I only have like 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So well, let's just see if we can do it. You know, what I mean, can we do every single room? I have no idea. All right, get this situated. And I don't like to just vacuum. I like to sweep and vacuum. You know, when you sweep, you're gonna get all the corners, and that's what I like. So, all right. So, what should we just? Well, I don't know what we should do. I think we're gonna go farthest away, and all right, perfect. Well, let's just go right here. So we're just gonna give this a little flip. And then, yeah, I like to sweep the hardwood. There you go. So yeah, we're off on the right foot. And then heck yeah, I like to sweep under here. And you got to do this at least every month. Holy Toledo, you don't want to be breathing all this stuff. You know, I really should do this every week. But since I don't know how long it takes, I'm just going to do it every month. But heck yeah. All right, I guess we got to go get this corner. Yeah, I definitely like the broom because you can kind of get under things just a little bit more. Alright, we're going to see if we can get all the way under here. Alright, heck yeah. Yeah, and that did quite, usually I take it that way. I guess we're taking it this way. So we're all done right there. We're going to come just right under there. Booyah. And I think we're basically done. We're going to get under the piano. Because if all you do is sweep, you know, that's fine. Because the carpet will kind of hold the dirt. So you might have to vacuum less. All right, we're going to get under here. Alright, heck yeah, that didn't take too long. That room's basically kind of done. I don't know. Oh, I guess we got to go this way. Yeah, we picked up quite a bit of stuff. I'm going to call that good right there. And now we're going to go this way. We're going to go kind of towards the kitchen. Alright, so I guess I swept that up and I swept it into here so you didn't see that, and then I swept it all the way over to here, so that's kind of where we're at. Just had to take a little break. Okay, so we're sweeping up the kitchen. Hell yeah. Now the kitchen, it needs to be Swiffered. It needs to be kind of mopped up. You know what I mean? So maybe we'll do that too. We'll see. And I like to take this out. You know, just this garbage area gets a lot going on. Ooh, there's something sticky. Bummer. All right, hell yeah. And I bet, yeah. You know what I mean? A lot of the dirt comes from the garage, you know what I mean, coming out here. So we're gonna sweep it towards the garage, get that going. And yeah, we're just gonna do just real fast, I guess. I don't know. Like I said, you can't sweep fast. You gotta go nice and easy. All right, so we're gonna sweep this out here. Heck yeah! See, that's a lot of dirt that just wants to come in. All right, get that there. Yeah, this is kind of why I don't like to do this every day, every week, because it seems like a lot of work. All right, we're gonna put that right there because we'll hopefully. Okay, we're gonna get that. Let's get those right away. Well, we got a lot going on. We kind of got to finish this up. This is still real dirty through here. And we should start this hot water, because we'll Swiffer the kitchen. So yeah, we can just be done with the kitchen now. So heck yeah. And I'm glad the garbage. Oh, what up? Was there a dustpan on this, or am I just losing my mind? Anyway, we got to go get a dustpan. Probably one out here. All right, we got a dustpan, and heck yeah, our food's gonna be done in 15 minutes. So we definitely have to be done in 15. All right, hell yeah, take that right there, and we're just gonna kind of go around the house and get all those spots. Like, where's our next spot? Yeah, right there. Heck yeah. Booyah, booyah. Well, we better do in here. Holy Toledo. Yep. So here's the entryway. I'm going to shake that down. And just get that right there. Whew. All right, heck yeah. Oh, for sure we're gonna get, yeah, just a lot of dust builds up right over here. All right, we got the entryway. Heck yeah. And it could be like painting the Golden Gate Bridge, where you just do like one room a day, but I don't know. We definitely need to get this room. This is where I go to the cabin, and we just got so much dust in here. And I think that gets everywhere. But I do try to isolate it. Try to take off my shoes in there. Now, why I stopped taking out my shoes outside is because I was getting all sorts of nasty weeds
just all over the neighborhood. So that's pretty uncool. All right, we're definitely just gonna sweep up in here. Heck yeah. And this is kind of the room that I get to use for my office or whatever, so that's pretty cool. All right, there's the vacuum. All right, just get the wrap stuff in here. Holy Toledo. See if we can get underneath there. All right, I think we did. Yeah, just a lot of dust. A lot of dirt, actually, just dirt. All right, hell yeah. But now we're definitely going to we're gonna sweep out here. You know what I mean? Just get that back down there. And we'll see what we do. Maybe go this way first. And we kind of gotta clean up our porch, get all this crap off here. So I'm gonna remember to take this stuff today, but we'll get that right there. All right, hell yeah. Yeah, and even these, holy Toledo. I gotta get these to the garage. I'm not gonna do that anytime soon, but we'll just get them in here for now. Same with this piece of wood. Yeah, we just got to get it somewhere. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. Old pogo stick. I tried to do this porch with the leaf blower, but it did not work. That was kind of a dumb idea. Yeah, broom is the best way to go. All right, this stuff don't work. All right, there you go. All right, hell yeah. We'll just do a big sweep to here. Ooh, you don't want to breathe that stuff. Bird's nest. Yeah, we got quite a few. Look at that robin. Just chilling on the eggs. Alright, hell yeah. Get that back there. Oh, we got a broom out here, but I never use it. Alright, let's see if we can kind of finish up. Heck yeah. Alright. We're gonna get that back there. This stuff back where it belongs. Get the garbage can out. Alright, hell yeah, the rest can just go that way. Alright, hell yeah. Alright, yeah, porch is looking good. For sure, for sure. Alright, this room's looking good. Alright, hell yeah, home stretch. You know what I mean? We gotta do my room. My God. And this is one where I need to get like on the ball and sweep my room, you know, almost every couple days. You know, just give it a nice light sweeping. Because it helps kind of just clean things up.
All right, we got enough juice.
Holy Toledo. All right, I kind of want to be done. I want to get on with my life, but we just got a little bit more cleaning to do. Gonna get in here. Alrighty. see a lot of dust under the bed. Holy Toledo. Guess we're still just gonna go right out there. All right, yeah, we'll take this up. Take this one up. Booyah. Alright, do a little quick sweep in here. All right, we already got out from underneath there, so hell yeah, kind of the last sweep. All right, my food's done and I'm about done. Holy hell. But yeah, we'll come in here. Maybe sweep the bathroom once. Just see if we can get some dust out of here. Now I don't sweep around the toilet, try to keep things sanitary on the broom and stuff. So we'll just go kind of right to there. Yeah, definitely try to sweep underneath that. Yeah, we got some spiders. Holy Toledo. Probably brought those from the cabin. Alright, we're basically almost done. Holy Toledo. Just kind of get this pile going. We're so done. Oh no, I guess we got a vacuum. Yeah, we're definitely gonna vacuum. Alright, hell yeah. Done with sweeping though. Done with sweeping. And didn't we say we wanted to fire up this water? Yeah, it's still pretty hot. Yeah, there's that. Man, and it's good to put things away. Whew. Alright, we'll worry about the electronics later. But well, I think I might be done. You know what I mean? We swept the whole. You know what I mean? I might vacuum, I might not. So anyway, that's pretty good. It shows you how you can sweep even if you got carpets. But yeah, hell yeah. All right. So guess what? That's a video. All right, hell yeah. I think we can do it. I think we can finish up. We're gonna vacuum. Holy Toledo. And because we, whoa, damn it. This vacuum was used at a construction site. Oh, bummer. So, yeah, we just put a lot of, that's why I'm wearing a respirator. Holy Toledo. They just put more dust into the air. Hell yeah, one done. Alright, let's go get another one. Yeah, we gotta switch it up. Alright, booyah. Oh hell yeah, I love it when that works. Okay, let's walk through. Did we do the walkthrough? Did we do it? Heck yeah, we swept, we vacuumed. Man, that takes way too long though. You know what I mean? Way too long for my taste. All right, we're gonna get this right here.
Heck yeah, I bet you that took more than an hour. Hopefully it took less than an hour, but man, we did it. You know what I mean? Got a nice clean house. And all right, that's all for today. Guess what? That's a video.